Welcome back, guys. In this tutorial we discuss the do loop. What do loop do? Do loop run your program at least one time. The for loop, if this condition is going to be false, then it not run your program. In a while loop, this is the true loop. If your condition is going to be the false in a while loop, we can use the condition in the while loop. Then while not execute your program one time, not a one time. For example, for your understanding, I make this statement false, that 31 is not less than 30, so this loop is not executed. See that it directly jump to the do loop, while loop, sorry, it directly jump to the while loop which we discussed. So we should remove the while loop program from here. Then we see that no input, basically no output on the screen, because this loop is going to be false. We make the statement false, this is statement not true, so this loop is not executed. But what do loop is do, let's see. This is the structure of do and while and the semicolon. We say that like int a is equal to 10, I say that console dot write line zero and print the I. Yes, I am not defined the I, so I should define the I, and I is equal to the 1 and I plus plus, and I say that running the loop till I less than 10, running the loop till I less than 10. What I do here, I say that, so remove the for loop for clarification. I say that int a is equal to 10, I say that int I is equal to 1, do, basically no need to int a is equal to 10 here. Int I is equal to 1, do console dot write line I, mean print the value of I till I less than 10. So what happened? It print the values from 1 to 9, but this condition is true, that's why it print the value. If this condition is going to the false, for example, I say that if I is equal to 10, then do this. We all know that this condition is going to be false, but it execute this loop one time. See that it execute this loop one time. So do loop execute your loop at least one time till your condition is going to be a false. This is differ from the while loop and a for loop. So this is the concept of a do while loop, which use mostly in the program in which you want to at least print the, or you want to at least ask the user to input. For example, in ATM machine, you ask the user to take the input. If he write the wrong password, then you should not going to the another menu, but you offer the one menu in by the help of a do loop. So we discuss its application. When we discuss its application, then you should clarify then what is the major difference between the for while and do while. So that's it for this tutorial, and we meet again in the further tutorial. So bye bye.